Asanteman TV, yes, some sompa.
Of a facility, it is a symbol of hope, opportunity, and empowerment. With this lab, students in Toase and surroundings communities will have access to training in artificial intelligence, robotics, coding, and digital literacy skills that are essential in the world we live in today. At the foundation, we remain committed to promoting access to quality education, especially in underserved areas. This initiative for transformation and progress. We are proud to know that this is the third AI Lab Center commissioned within just 18 months through the collaboration of the Otumfuo Foundation, Newmont Gold Africa, and our technical partner, Coral Reef Innovation Africa. Together, we are helping to reshape education landscape across Asanteman. We extend our sincere gratitude to Newmont Gold Africa for their unwavering support and commitment to sustainable community development. Together, we are not only building facilities but shaping future, ensuring our young people are equipped to lead in a fast digital world. May this AI lab become a hub of creativity, innovation, and excellence, and may it serve as a spark that unlocks the full potential of our youth. Thank you.
Foundation here, it's about education. And a Newmont for Toasehene. And that's why Toasehene and also born modern. I didn't hold the entire and a year or dinner home. Sumina Mahine, and also a better chief fair Coral Reef, Monso Modemo, Monam, the logistics, and the attention maybe be a kama. The Tiawa, and that's the purpose. Into purpose, they say, your baby be, sign your Mayaki Cabo, your baby be, I'm a young and Faswa, at the Beba community. Emo, you will address back preps, Amwa, no almost the money the same, Eddie, a brilliantia, Omopese. Omudi Omuntuma Ebo Otumfuo Foundation. Ano na Omudi
Toasehene and Vice Chair of Otumfuo Foundation. Nanejim Awe Abebiu Toasehene, Newmont Africa, the Municipal Director of Education, Nanapukwa Moako, Nanano, staff of Otumfuo Foundation, staff of Coral Reef Innovation Africa, heads of schools, students, friends from the media, ladies and gentlemen, all protocol observed, good afternoon. It is a true honor to stand before you today as we gather here in Toase to commission the third of our AI labs following the successful launches in Rioso and Kana, all made possible through the visionary partnership between Otumfuo II Foundation, Newmont Africa, and Coral Reef Innovation Africa. Just like a real coral reef, we collaborate, experiment, and grow, creating vibrant, inclusive spaces where ideas and talents can thrive. Today is proof that this vision is not a far-off dream, but a reality taking shape, one lab, one student, one community at a time. Why AI and why here in Toase? Because the future is not waiting for big cities like Accra and Kumasi alone. The future must be equally accessible in Rioso, in Kona, and here in Toase. We cannot talk about education transformation without talking about equity. We must ensure that a child in a rural community has the same exposure to future-facing technologies as one in a private school in the capital. With this lab, we are saying to our young people, you are not too far and you are not too small. You are being equipped today to solve tomorrow's problems, whether it's using AI to improve farming, healthcare, education, or even starting businesses we haven't yet imagined. These AI labs are not about access to computers, they are about shaping mindsets. They are about training teachers to guide learners in using AI ethically, creatively, and responsibly. They are about sparking curiosity and preparing students for a world where the ability to ask smart questions of machines will be just as important as knowing the answers. Education 4.0 is a reminder that both industrial ready here. We are living in an age of machine learning, big data, and intelligent systems, and Ghana must not be left behind. These AI labs are part of our bold response to that challenge. I want to sincerely thank our partners, Newmont Africa and the Otumfuo II Foundation, for not just believing in this vision, but working with us, investing in it, and making it come alive for the benefit of our children and their future. To the teachers here today, you are not being replaced by technology. You are being equipped with new tools to enhance your teaching. AI does not remove the need for human connection. It deepens it when used right, and you are the heartbeat of that transformation. To the students, let your curiosity lead you. What you learn in this lab could one day lead you to solve a problem for your town, your country, or even the world. Let me end with this. This lab is not the destination, it is the launch pad. What you started here in Toase must ripple across Ghana, empowering every learner with the digital skills they need to thrive in a changing world. Thank you, and let's keep building the future together.
Thank you, Ms. Audrey. Thank you so much. Thank you. The students, you are not too far and you are not too small. The teachers, we are not replacing AI with whatever you are doing. On that note, let's move to the next item. Ladies and gentlemen, Maifa Nsembo Asia, Municipal Director of Education. Na onfa na nudisem emre nana popia amwako na onfa na nudisem emre Maifa Nsembo.
Very own Toasehene, Nana Yim Are Abebiu, Nananom, Honorable MC's Rep, Honorable MP's Rep, representatives from Otumfuo II Foundation, representatives from Newmont, Ghana, Rep from Coral Reef Innovation Africa, distinguished guests, head teachers, pupils, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon to you all. I am deeply honored and delighted for the opportunity to address you on this important occasion, the inauguration of a state-of-the-art artificial intelligence AI lab here at Toase MA Basic School. On behalf of the management of Asanteman Municipal Education Directorate, our dedicated heads of schools, teachers, and all the school children in the municipality, I extend our heartfelt appreciation to His Majesty Otumfuo II, the Asantehene. The establishment of the Otumfuo II Foundation has indeed been a blessing to us. Here in Asanteman Municipal, we've not only seen but experienced the impact of the foundation. And today's event stands as a shining testament to that. We are equally grateful to Nana Toasehene for your unwavering support for the advancement of education in the municipality. Nana, we sincerely thank you. Our warmest appreciation also goes to the Newmont Ghana for partnering with the Otumfuo II Foundation to make this remarkable facility a reality. Your generous support for education is truly commendable. A big thank you also goes to the Coral Reef Innovation Africa. You dedicated computers and other accessories for the AI lab and trained selected IC teachers in our municipality in coding, and we are so much grateful for that. And to every individual who has made this occasion a reality, we say thank you. Nana Chair, ladies and gentlemen, technology has become an inseparable part of our daily lives. In fact, it has turned the world into a global village, transforming communication, education, business, and virtually every sector. Today, even those with little or no formal education can be seen using mobile phones, devices that have evolved far beyond just calls and messages to become tools for productivity and learning and innovation. Nana Chair, it is clear that any individual or nation that fails to embrace technology risks being left behind in the journey of development. McKinsey Global Institute estimates that by 2030, 800 million workers globally, that's about 1 out of 5 workers, could be displaced by automation or introduction of technologies in work processes. However, as with every powerful tool, technology must be learned and understood before it can be used effectively. Just as a car needs a skilled driver, technology requires users who are trained and knowledgeable to be able to apply or use them in order to reap their immense benefits. This is why the integration of digital literacy and computer skills, including AI, into formal education is not just important, but essential. It is for that reason all of us have gathered here today. The inauguration of the AI lab here at Toase is a bold step towards equipping our children with the needed tools and skills they need to thrive in a fast-changing digital world. I am confident that this lab will transform the technological journey of every pupil or student who walks through its doors with determination and curiosity. It will serve as a catalyst for innovation, creativity, and academic excellence. Nana Chair, I wish to assure you and the sponsors of this facility that management of the Municipal Education Directorate will closely monitor this facility and ensure its proper usage. We are committed to making sure it serves its intended purpose for many years to come. Once again, thank you. Nananom Yedamasi.
Address our home. Mefa Ensemble Asia Newmont Africa. Na omonso omonfa omo anudisem enfa emre. Bon sembra obi. Bon sem. They are the sponsors of this beautiful gigantic project. Thank you, Newmont.
Nana Ocho Kusi Intrama is Toasehene and Vice Board Chair of the Otumfuo Foundation. Municipal Chief Executive, representative of the Member of Parliament, Nananum, representatives of Coral Reef, heads of schools and teachers of Toase, students and pupils, colleagues from the media, esteemed guests and partners, ladies and gentlemen, I bring greetings from the Managing Director and the entire leadership of Newmont. It is with great pride, humility and honor to join you today for this very special occasion. I never thought I would use pride and humility in the same sentence. But on a day like this, I can't help but to take pride in what we have achieved together, but also humbled by the sheer and genuine dedication of our leaders. I'm also proud because I work for a company where Nana Ntrama laid the foundation even before I joined. Nana, thank you. You've created a path that we are walking, and I'm grateful. And speaking of leaders, let me commend the Otumfuo 82 Foundation, Coral Reef Innovation Hub, and Nana Abebio for the tireless efforts in what we are inaugurating today, which marks yet another important milestone in our collective journey to expand access to technology and digital education. As has been said already, this is the third of such facilities that we are partnering the Otumfuo Foundation on. The first was in Biosu, the second in Kwana, and we have met here again today with a burning desire to help unlock opportunities for these young minds in Toase. In a world that is fiercely being driven by technology, having skills in deep learning, quantum computing, and big data will not only help our children at Toase to catch up with their peers in the so-called big cities, but will certainly enable them to be front runners in the technology space. There is ample evidence that communities often overlooked due to their distance from urban centers and are lacking in infrastructure are often overflowing with talent, creativity, and ambition that deserve every opportunity to thrive. Through our AI Smart Laboratories initiative, Newmont and the Otumfuo 82 Foundation are taking an important step in bridging the digital divide and laying a foundation for inclusive, future-facing education. The construction and commissioning of these smart labs are not simply about deploying equipment for their own sake. They represent a powerful symbol of empowerment, inclusion, and the shared value we place in investing in human capital. And may I at this point highlight a particularly inspiring story. Just last year, with the support from Coral Reef and in partnership with the Otumfuo Foundation, students from Biosu, where we commissioned our first AI Smart Lab, placed fifth in the national robotics competition, which had representation from the whole country. This is no small feat and speaks volumes about what is possible when young people are given the tools and guidance they need to succeed. Our hope is that the Toase Smart Lab, which we are commissioning today, will also serve as a launchpad for young people to explore the ever-evolving world of technology and innovation. These spaces will nurture the thinkers, inventors, and leaders of tomorrow. They are incubators of possibility. Our vision goes beyond the mere transmission of knowledge. We aim to foster digital literacy, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills that are essential in thriving in today's interconnected world. Through the digital libraries embedded in these smart labs, entire communities will gain access to a world of information and learning materials, enabling individuals to pursue their dreams and ambitions. Under our partnership with the Otumfuo Foundation, Newmont has committed 1.7 million Ghana cedis to support the establishment of 6 of these smart labs over a three-year period. It is heartwarming to note that Coral Reef Innovation Hub, which is a proudly Ghanaian organization, is not only leading the implementation but also managing the facilities to ensure their sustainability and excellence. To our dedicated teachers, I commend you for the critical role that you play. You are the architects of change, shaping young minds and providing hope, and guiding the generation towards a future filled with possibilities. we acknowledge your passion and commitment. To the students who benefit from this facility, this is your moment. Embrace it with curiosity, confidence, and diligence. Your future can start here within the four walls of this facility. To Nana Ayim Aware Abebio, thank you for hosting us and for your visionary leadership and being advocate for the youth of Toase. And finally, to the Otumfuo II Foundation, our esteemed partner, thank you. Your unwavering belief in the transformative power of education and technology is truly inspiring. We are proud of what we have achieved together and excited about what lies ahead. Through this shared vision, we are not just building smart labs, we are building brighter futures. As we look ahead to the remaining installations, we Newmont remain committed to nurturing potential and unlocking opportunities in every community we serve. We thank everybody who has been part of this journey. Thank you.
Ekoso, we reign free. Nanayim, Ire, Ababio, Toasehene, say, Wabwama Jubuti, Abasa, and Persuasion. Quickly do rude intervention. The Shada Namaya introduction, Untafe, with the year introduction to go dear, no Peja Wasa, Nayama, Aquado, Pine, so you say, you know, Yawa say, you know, Yawa, oh, happy Jawasa. Then okay, and now you know, no different. Miss Elaine upon Pupra. So, draw upon Pupra, no one for high financial man, one true Miss Elaine upon Pupra. Elaine was so which El Bakwa or no was saying to my spelling amount. Okay, but your head of schools, Omohana, headmaster, and then for more. Okay, teachers, Musa. All right, Omuna students, Wahana. I bet HU. As the Municipal Director of Education, Nana Popia Amako, one of the side the dead, the dead, only the let the chair move reading the grammar. All right, Newmont Africa. There was Omo Sikaputu, and there also 1.7 million Ghana cedis, and I will be ashamed to Nana Yim Are Abebio Toasehene and not what Tiboko Nana Pia. Okay, you do soon your mind healing. I will have you doing a betai Jumediano. I saw a board member in Otumfuo II Foundation. Asanteman Benkumhene. And I said, the young phone, you know, on PC, I don't know how they be Toase promo. I didn't know actually, Pussy, trauma, and what's that? The Makawa, Piao, go dear, I'm sorry to cry. Now, the chinchil, you say, and I was a 70 when young about a better to Mediano. It's Miss Sambreno, you could call a Dumwan, sir. Like a taco
education, but before school, I need to check for Newmont Ghana, Coral Reef, Otumfuo Toasehene Foundation. Nipa wa hina, manager here. Sir, my brother, such was saying that. The idea is that. Di kan mi da se da kase ma mi wura Otumfuo say to Asanteman se adwene kase a ode adekase ode asina ni so be peja adesua na ma adesua emu aye duru awa Asanteman mu ewo Ghana mu ani Ghana man mu ani akyerehye nyina ekoso a ne ebi edu Toase ohine ebetra akonya so yi o ka sa adesua de on Toase so nemrem yanko ko fa nkyere man mi o de adesua edi mpuntuo e na kyerehye man ino ana ekoso e de Toase so yahu bi mira ye madum ma me fa nanum tru so ka sa South my day kasi na wo similar ni so nso mo de kakra ga mechi mabo oh baby kakra me hwe so ama mi wura yi na so ma adesua ene mpuntuo akoso no abo ho mo de da nanu asese na yehu ni yehu we ya me straight teacher for ni education benefo so ade kasi a wura da Roma o ma bi aso na ko aso to ansi mo hwe so yi ama me na me konem se mi wura me nya mare pa e di abon a school for class na mre me di adesua e di abẹ fun fidi abẹ e na yesua e na abẹ fun fidi e di sua computer so adesua for tuma ya ma e bi akọ animu e se afidi e di bibi se artificial intelligence aba prime ni na mo ho mo de ni yesua ni ye se de nkra bi ti ba bi a o mu sua o mo de ani ma akese no yan ko se de bi a ye ko computer so a na ye se ko di agronko a ye ko ani TikTok so ni Facebook ni e sama e fa mpuntu ma no de Asanteman da Roma o de fidie kese ya try we Chrome to ase ye nhia ni ye yo computer no so ye so de ayade a dachi bi betumi e de abobra da penifo nyina ase akem da Newmont for ase da foundation for ase Kora reform for ase mi ni apanyi mi da ase pa se ne abesra uni akitwa ewo Toase a emfe ema ho a ras beni so bebre na nan na ase ni beni ko na ase se ne ejina ya ba Toase na mase
TikTok, Facebook, and so a Newmont kese bebre ho a wo betimi e dia ye e dia boa ma en na China phone call na mo ya na mo da suma begu ye so na wo hwe na woni age ye din fidie ni bia ba ha sei en continuous taking fabua wo school na fabua wo mai na e do ase papa afutu a loti amaye I say it's not such an army boy. To be the agor kakra, Ibama na Yashe, na Yedi, the sister Quamu Ama, near Odiho. In Tibetan Safre, Toase MA Basic School, now on the cultural display at the Abreu. Basic School. My dear Papa. Send me kind. You do a boom. You do a boom. Inti, maybe I can seminar back up. Yamana, or dinner home. But you could see in China. Oh yeah, Benkumhene was me. No sign your board member. Otumfuo second foundation. And once we are Asanteman Benkumhene. No, you're not for you now. I'm a piece. What you 2 minutes? I'm a day. I can say that come on.
So, baby, are you ready?
Newmont in Benkumhene, Toase, municipal chief executive.
Yeah.
Toasehene Asanteman, Minister Benkumhene, Medikai, Inauguration, and Kabila, Mura, Otumfuo say to our Toasehene, and Benkumhene, Lady Julia. Say what the moon say. We didn't share. We want me now. Any day, my dear, AC and ABC. We are the same. And he said, yes, so I can do better say, yes, and yes. Yes, we know. He over to us. And not Toasehene. It's me, I'm a yes. It will tell me on the cruise. You be an idea of the path back on the cruise. Tomorrow, the sign others. Newmont force. Yeah, me a lady. Say, the never be a total year. Come on, I'm here to Newmont. Need to hear my baby. Corporate social responsibility. Any common interest in education as part of Amankasa Foundation. So, it to me, I would be a junior deal. And when they toss me, so down my mom. They have told me, it's just a time when I'm walking. And you might get drinking in the mood. Coral Reef. And so, cinema is not tied to a DH. Every decorator say, yet we in a partnership, a year done for. And now, a year. It is a dream. And no more Kakaka in the debate picture. So, you do my yedding in a yedding and Cora is grateful and wedding. And that day, Marty Dene, Tadi, and they are mother, and they are mother. Free ne echo when opportunity, send me AI lab. And yet, it was a class in engineering say, computer, ever be say a junior. GD said, I don't know, and never be project. So, As a Otumfuo, Mufrasi, Namusia, Nigeria. Ujuma Mupesa Muyemo, Munine Amuye, Mufrasi, brother. A mystery. I am corrupting. And I feel in your own I love now you're calling him off for ground. It's here. The women, Joseph Warren, echo national competition. I'm not also in the pressing the baby, and young any to mercy. And I say, yes, school, I'll be caught. And a bit more one castle was shaking be. It immediately did say. And Sunday, ever saw the next competition. Now, the veteran is said, Toase so. It did. The teacher for I decided with the ever shadows. More sweetie. When you send it. You so much use. Why you be paying? Much in I idea for your friend. I'll be doing a rabbit to my list. Into idea, a idea will be to the honorable. To make so, no matter mass. Some motion your money sweet. See the bayer is. And son ever said, well, you shall say, the bayer momentum. See, Newmont. See, you see, Newmont for any coral reef. We did say, in different, I'm going to be shit. See the bayer, if you did not, the base and see. So, the day before, the German, any mammy, we need an hour for your home. Like the name, you see a man. A question, Archie, or my discipline, any not my promo. Sadi, I and I was in the shame of my own friend. Also, it's me, you see, I'm the Bobo Brown. Meet me, can you? I mean, Yankasa. Otumfuo is here to do the second foundation. The Banisa and Sama, it ready about. So, you say, yeah, you're here. Otumfuo. We need dear. Any die power soon. Abra, we are Asanteman. Let's see. Adusiadi Undem. So, our foundation also 25 years ago. Foundation is the Juma be brave. Oh, I know. In that Asanteman, and only idea yet. And family baby of food, and family baby out. And Fakasa Hoka. And then found so bar and now we are. You are saying, we said the so, foundation also when you 40 above, or have a shade, say you right, and you saw you home of the bar. I could you, yes, she said, pepper. Until the Nasi Emma Yakasan Foundation, I made that mere board member, the sign vice chairman. So, and I will buy a movie. Yes, we are called last year to one. I yet to be a castle. Yura, Asanteman, I am German, the Toase. So, the Minas, some of them. It is a new. Say, I do cry a canoe, we never cry the baby. That's under Newmont for coral reef. Yeah, with the millions. Say, you say by foundation of weekend. na miaka sisi nyingine ni mpini for balance ni swaje fefefe ni mkama stop
omunyina ediechi na yakọ akụja ahụmanụ nti ọdịnụ hụ ọchịkwụsị ntrama ọdaụma esumnya mahini ọdaụma mesịrị na ahụmanụ ya ga-asa ịhụ na wabetwam ama ya a yɛkyerɛ sɛ yɛn nyinaa yɛbɛtumi akɔwura mu na yɛhwɛ nea ɛwɔ mu na nea ɛsɛ yɛde yɛn ho so ɛyɛ nti ɛno ɔdaụma wobɛgye yɛn mu na yɛdi saa adwuma nti ɛberɛ na nan bɛbobɔ gye wie wie a asɔre a na yɛn nyinaa asɔre na yɛbɛsɔre na ɔno nso asɔre na yɛdi akyi fɛfɛɛfɛ nti yɛbɛyina sukuufoɔ no yɛyi kɔlaa mmienu from each school nti mommra mbɛgyina aha sei ɛma me
to start from, we have to start from one to as just. So we demonstrate how we can use the tablets, code a program for a program to work. And when we come here, we have this actually a model set of AI now. So on my extreme end there, we have a charging tablet. What it does is that it makes sure that no tablet leaves this place to be charged outside. So once we are done with whatever we are doing and we see that the tablets are running low, then we get closer and show you how it works. What we do is that we open it and then you can see we have some cables here. These are already connected. And once we insert a tablet like this, once we insert it, there is a slot here for charging. As soon as we do the insertion, you will see that it will give you a red signal. As we can see, telling you that the tablet is actually being charged. Once it is being charged, you have this being. So it's secured, and you lock it, and you go with the keys. And nobody can have access to it until the next day where we come. So this is how secure this place is. The second thing is that they have access point that there is something we call cloud-based system. So with this, what the teacher or the instructor can do here is that he can have a project on his laptop and automatically share the software with everybody here. So whether it's an exercise or something you want to do, everybody can be part of it. And with this, they can also control the tablets. In that sometimes a child or a student might not be paying attention. But we have software that the teacher will see from this system that this child is not paying attention and can lock the tablet. So when the child sees that what I'm doing I can't do, then he will not pay attention to what the teacher is saying, then the teacher can also unlock. So basically, this place is, like I said, is a modern set that if you're able to utilize it well, in fact, we go far. So we have a short demonstration, like I said, our first line of coding with the students, so that you see how we do it, and then maybe we can ask for that question. Now, take your tablet, power it on, take your tablet. I'm talking to the student, please take your tablet, take it. Just remove it from the showcase, yes. Power it on, and let's go.
You don't know how to power it on.
Is it on? So swipe it and then get the interface. Swipe it. If just watching and you just swipe it. Okay. On the screen. Are you okay? Have you seen it? Then there is an icon called scratch with S like this. Have you seen it?
Hello.
Let me assist you. Yes, so at the end of the day, your interface should look like this. Are we all here?
At the end of the day, your interface on the tablet should be as
Are we all here?
Okay.
All right. So the first thing we are going to do, like I said, is our first line of coding. And we don't want to make it so unattractive. Coding is said that if you don't start well, you will never enjoy coding. So we want to make it interesting so that they will love to go the hard way by first doing the basic one that is very, very easy. So when you check on your left, you will see a lot of codes here. These are what we call blocks. We are not going to do any difficult stuff. We are just going to drag and drop.
Just drag and drop them.
Now, let us start by clicking on what we call event. Look at event. It's here. Please, have you seen it? Tap it once. And then you will see this. Are we all there? Are we all there? Thank you. Please, those over there. Okay. Please, assist those over there for me. Let's give them some minutes to join us. You are good, so we can go, right? Fine. Yours might not look like mine because you have not done any coding yet. Okay? Now we are here. Let's select where we say when click, drag it into the canvas. Watch what I'm doing. Drag it here, like this. Are we good?
Yes.
Are we good? Now, this is a code. Actually, when I go to the back end, you see it's a code. But because we are just trying to start, we are telling you that when we click on this, what should happen to this our friend? That's what we are going to do. So we will now come to what we call, let's come to what we call operations.
Now let's all go to what we call operations.
Are we there? We will see all this. Are we okay? Now, let's go down to variables. I want you to see if everything is working. Is it working?
Yes.
Is it working?
Yes.
All right. Let's go to control.
Now let's go to control.
Is it working? Fine. Now, we want this man to behave in a certain way forever. We don't want him to stop until we ask him to stop. That's how we work for him. So you tell the robot that anytime there is dirt, go and clean. So you can be away and the robot will do the cleaning until you come and stop it. So we are going to do the same thing to this sprite here. Now we have repeat. Please, have you seen repeat? And have you seen forever? Let's select forever. Watch. We are going to drag it and place it here. So you drag it like this and let it fit just under the green flag. At this point, are we good or we are still having challenge? Are we okay? Those are the extreme ends. Are you okay? All right, so we can move on. Now, how do we want this guy to behave? We want it to work randomly, like in any way that it wants, but it should be there forever. So you will come to motion. Let's go to motion. Now the motion, we have, who can say the first one for me? Those with a tablet. Yes. Move. There is something there. How many? Move 10 steps. We are going to put this in here and our friend here will move 10 steps forever. So let's drag, watch how I'm going to do it. You will drag the move 10 steps inside the forever, like this.
Inside the forever.
When we are good, you tell me. Excellent. Now, he is not moving, he's not doing anything because we have not actually asked him to. That is the essence of code or programming. You can do everything, but if you haven't given the command for execution, your code or your code is just there. So we are going to let this guy do 10. And remember, there is a code there that when we click this, and you see this blue flag, there is one here. Have you seen it? Excellent. Now, you tell me what happens when you tap on the blue flag. So tap on the green flag before I tap on mine.
Tap on the green.
Yes.
Tell us what is happening.
What is going on?
What is going on? What is going on?
It's moving. Good. So it is moving, right? Excellent. Now let me also do mine and let's see if what you need is right. So I will tap on it and 10 steps it has moved. Now I want the random movement. So watch, I will remove the move 10 steps away, only that one. Okay? And then I'll be done. I don't want to have any other thing again. It is just that I said forever it should be like that. Now I'm going to go to random position, drag it and put it at where we had. And then our friend, because this group was still active, now as soon as I put in that code, it's moving randomly. Have you seen that? Now, how do we get this background? Yours is white, yours is plain, isn't it? So how do we get this background so that it will look more appealing? Watch this place. Come down to the bottom, the last part here. Please, those over there, I see them for me. And then tap it once. Once you tap it once, there will be a lot of background for you. Choose the one that best suits you. Choose the one that best suits you. You can choose any of them. Tap it once, and the background has changed. Okay, so where are they? So with this, we can continue and develop complex programs using this simple entity. Thank you very much. So click on stop the red button to stop it.
Ghana man, mabusia panyin me so asempa na nam. Kane na ne yetitie mo wrem, ne yesi dan wi ana so moso no nso adane adesoa. Enne de Adabov company e wa Asanteman mu abedom yen. Amedan so bo ayemre. Enchanse awodo apapapa. E wodi gudan so medan homie. E bi de say long span self lock, IBR, housing standard, hero tiles and shingles, steel trusses and woodworks, roofing sheets, squares, afei roofing nails. Ni nyina e dan e ho niema Adabov company e de abeboa yen. Your office ankasa e wo ehwia Aha overseas junction ɛna baabi adwumakue factory nankasa wɔ no ɛyɛ infensi a yɛbɛn mɔba asɔre no ɛma remfi sɛ wɔnimdifo a wɔn de saa nkyɛnse ɛbɛgu dan so ɛde ama wɔ mpo sɛ wuni wɔ bi a wobɛtumi afrɛ yɛn ɛwɔ 0245385109 Adabov Company Limited sɛ yɛdan so bɔde a ɛne ɛna wɔn mo ɛyɛ osimpitimpirimpiri.
Asanteman TV, yes, so Mosompa.